To change the heating home routine day schedule in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, and then tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap heating home routine, tap time period. Under repeat section, select the days you like this routine to be turned on automatically. As the example, we will select Monday to Thursday. Next, tap done button to save the change. By doing this, now your phone will automatically enable the heating home routine during the specified time from Monday to Thursday. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.